Good morning, children. Now this is 8th class social studies. What's that lesson? 6th lesson, minerals and mining. So in the previous lesson I said about what are the minerals and how the minerals are extracting from the mines. So who are the workers working there. So next one here, we have many minerals are there. For example, gold, silver, varieties, asbestos, aluminium, that means bauxite, tin. Okay, many minerals are there. They are coming from mines. Okay, children. Now, what are the position of the workers in Singareni collieries? For example, so the government to provide many welfare programs to these workers in Singareni collieries. For example, they provided to these workers quarter facilities, roadways, transportation, electricity also with minimum price. They are collecting just a minimum price and giving electricity, etc. Next, they are providing education to their children also. Okay, children. Next one, health. So health is very important. Actually, who are working in the Singareni collieries, coal fields or coal mines, it is very dangerous place. Okay, so dust always coming out. When they will blast inside or in the deep mines, what will happen? A lot of dust will coming out. So that dust is inhaling the workers. The workers are inhale the dust. So it will affect to the lungs. Okay, children, it is very dangerous. So that is why the doctors, that means the concerning government or the concerning owners are always check up by the doctors of workers. Okay, children. For example, they are affecting one kind of disease who are working in Singareni collieries in the coal fields. Black lung disease. What it is? Black lung disease. So they will affect this type of disease. Black lung disease. Black means the dust which is coming from the coal at the time of blast. They are inhaling. The workers are inhaled. So that is why it is effective or it is very dangerous to their lungs. It is also called TB. What it is? TB. So children, once you imagine how sad it is, the workers are doing hard even though they did not care about their lives, okay, their health, etc. Okay, so 45 years below, who are the workers? Below 45 years, every 5 years they will check by the doctors. Below 45 years, so every 5 years they will check. So those who above 45 years age, they will check almost every 3 years. Every 3 years about their health condition. So if they will affect by any disease or not. If the person will not affect by any disease, then they can allow to work in that coal fields. If the person will affect any disease, so the doctors will give them some suitable medicines for cure that disease, etc. So that all precautions are taken to the workers, but accidents are common here. Many people wounded and some people will die in this Singareni collieries and also who are working in coal fields, etc. Next one, new trends in mining industries. Actually, coal is very precious. Why? Because nowadays the electricity is generating by thermal power stations. How the thermal power station is running? With the help of coal and water. Okay, so that is why a large amount of coal is transporting from coal mines to thermal power station. For example, VTPS, Vijayawada Thermal Power Station, is located in Ibrahimapatnam. From 18 kilometers away from our city is there VTPS. Okay, children. Now, in the Ibrahimapatnam VTPS, what is generating? The electricity is generating with the help of coal and water. Okay, so it is very demand, and also the government also gave 5 15 open pits. That means they arranged 15 areas of this coal field for the purpose of industrial uses. Okay, so they gave to private contractors. These private contractors are giving to the needy industrialists, and they will collect money. Okay, some money will go to the government also. Okay, children, so that is at present happening nowadays. But 10 to 15 years, this coal will be exhausted. This coal will be exhausted. That means we cannot see no more this coal. Why? Because it is not, we cannot rebuild or we cannot recreate this type of coal or some kinds of minerals. Okay, so that is happening. Next one, SCCL. So I said already about SCCL, Singareni Collieries Company Limited. Okay, children. So this SCCL extracting coal from the coal fields in Telangana region. Okay, children. Now that is about coal field, etc. Now Mangampeta varieties open pit mines. This is another type, children. It is located in our Andhra Pradesh. Okay, where our Andhra Pradesh, YSR Kadapa district, we can find these Mangampeta varieties open pit mines. Okay, varieties means what? Muggu. Do you know, children? Every morning, our mothers, okay, they are decorating the yards in front of our house with muggulu. What is that? Muggulu. ప్రతిరోజు అమ్మ ముగ్గు వేస్తుంది కదా, ఆ ముగ్గు అనమాట వెరైటీస్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ మోస్ట్లీ abundantly, okay, in our Andhra Pradesh, especially at where YSR Kadapa Mangampeta. What it is? YSR Kadapa Mangampeta. Okay, now they discovered 1960. They already they took from 1960 to 1967. Okay, how many families are living around this area to work in these varieties open pit mining? 1200 families are living there around this Mangampeta area to extract these varieties. Okay, children. Next one, government already started one corporation, that is APMDC. What it is? APMDC. What is the meaning? Andhra Pradesh Mineral Development Corporation. Andhra Pradesh Mineral Development Corporation started, children. Okay, next one, due to these Mangampeta varieties, we are earning more profits, children. Okay, we are getting so many profit, children. Okay, it is useful to our remaining needs also. So that is why government already supervising about this mining and extracting the varieties from Mangampeta open pit mines. Children, next one, here two layers are there, upper layer and lower layer, children. From upper layer we can extract grey color varieties, children. Grey color varieties. From lower layer we can extract white or cream color varieties, children. Okay, so they will transport these a large quantity of varieties coming from the open pits areas. They will dig a large pit will be dug by the workers or machinery. You know, cranes, bulldozers, tractors, trucks, okay, etc., tippers, etc. Large quantity varieties are extracting from that area. So workers are doing with machines, shovels and bulldozers. With machines and shovels and bulldozers, children. Next one, they are dumping what is the wastage from the tippers. Okay, so they will extract the two varieties and they will grade what is the variety or what is the wastage. So this wastage is dumping by the tippers in separate area near the mine, open pit mine. Okay, children. Next one, 1 lakh ton is extracting from this Mangampeta only 1 month. That means every month we are taking from this Mangampeta open varieties mines how much tons 1 lakh ton is extracting. So once you imagine every year how many lakhs tons are we are extracting from Mangampeta. So how much wastage is dumping there? What is happening around that area? Okay, children. So next one, for one day 16,000 tons. 16,000 tons wastage is dumping only one day. That means every day 16,000 tons of wastage is dumping. Okay, 3,000 tons are transporting. So these transporting 3,000 tons varieties, okay, they are loading, they are entering into these varieties into the machinery. So the machinery will separate, okay, with fine quality. Okay, children. So fine quality. So that is happening. Next, women. Here, women are drilling holes for blasting with explosives. We know when they are drilling, it is very risky process. This place is very hazardous, that means dangerous place, but they are working. Okay. Next one, children, transportation. They are crushing these all varieties and they make these varieties into powder. After this one, they will pack into bags. After bags, they are transporting to other places and they are selling these varieties. In that Mangampeta area, okay, in that industry, how many workers are working? 600 workers are working in this small industry. Okay, among them, 152 workers are regular employers. Remaining workers are daily wages. So the regular employers have all benefits. Okay, they have fixed salaries. Every benefits are given by the government or by the concerning company, but the remaining workers are casual laborers, I think. That means they will come and do, okay, and they will take amount at the end of the week with a small amount, etc. So that is happening, children. But due to these Mangampeta varieties, what will happen? A large area is dumping. What is that? The wastage of varieties is dumping in a large area. That means it is polluting with the soil and also the surrounding area, trees, even the fields also. Okay, children. So that is affecting to the nearest to people who are living in that Mangampeta area. Okay. So here, due to this Mangampeta, we are extracting the varieties and we are exporting these varieties and getting profit. At the same time, some people and the environment is polluting, even the water also contaminating due to the extraction of this Mangampeta open pit varieties. Okay, children. So in this lesson, we discussed about coal fields, Singareni College coal field in Telangana, and Mangampeta varieties open pit mining in our Andhra Pradesh Kadapa district. Okay, children. So now this is your lesson. Now I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. Once you look at these pictures, children. Before I want to show the pictures, I want to read the highlighted matter here. Now look at Singareni coal mines open wounds by our correspondent. Warangal, June 28. Singareni Collieries Company Limited, SCCL, has decided to adopt open cast mining. OCM means open cast mining to meet the demand for coal. The decision could render to 20,000 people homeless and affect 200 villages. Okay, Actually, it is very demand, so that's why they decided. But due to this demand, how many people affecting? 20,000 people affecting 200 villages. The mines will also affect as estimated 3,000 hectares of forest area. If the mining underground produces 1,500 tons of coal a day, open cast mine produce 10,000 tons per day and obviously at a much lesser cost, said a senior SCCL official. While that it is so, the open cast mining will displace thousands of families, destroy scores of habitations, and cause loss of livelihood to locals. According to the company officials, the company will pay compensation, afforestation, charges, and develop forests and on an equal amount of land where it has lopped off the jungles. It will pay 4.38 to 10.43 lakhs per hectare, he said. The local people also complained that due to these mines, which dig up the earth and create huge artificial hills of loose earth, rivers and streams are getting choked, and groundwater is getting polluted, and there is acute scarcity of even drinking water. Okay, children, now this is lesson. Thank you.